Hello, it is I, Vadim, and this is the Maono WM820 wireless microphone system. In this video we are going to have a look at what comes in the box and then test these microphones in a variety of scenarios, including the quiet environment, in a noisy environment, on a busy, noisy London street, in a moderately noisy environment with some wind going on, and doing an interview. Let's start with a quick unboxing. Check out this box. Yeah, it looks quite nice actually, with all the features well illustrated. 6-hour battery. There we go. And that right there are the contents of the package. So let's open it up and have a look at them. This is a quick setup guide, but we don't need this today because I will show you how easy it is to use these microphones. Inside the package you will find 2 transmitters that are equipped with a clip to clip it on your shirt, as well as a built-in microphone. We'll test that. And a 3.5mm jack for the external microphone that you can plug in. On this side we've got a few buttons: the pair button, the on and off button, and the mute button. So 2 of those, and this is the receiver. Deeper inside we have lavalier microphones, USB cable, and the pouch to hold all of the goodies that are in this box. Let's open it up and have a look at what it looks like inside. It is quite simple, but it will get the job done. Check it out. Yeah. Okay. This is what the USB cable looks like. It is kind of a split thing going on here to charge both microphones at the same time. And these are the lavalier microphones. We'll test how those sound. And also 3 windshields, which are attached to the built-in microphone here. These are nice to have for those windy situations. Using this microphone system is very easy. Basically all you do is just plug in the receiver and then just hold the on button for 2 seconds. You see this light come on. That means that you are ready to record. Nice and easy. No pairing required. They work out of the box. The pairing button is only there just in case if you need to repair them for any reason if they don't work. So there we go. Let's go test them. Okay, so this next segment we are going to test the interview capabilities of this Maono microphone, because obviously this is a dual mic for 2 people to speak. And for this section of the video I am joined by my good friend, beautiful Tanya Marchenkoko. And
hi, it's me.
Tell us, what do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living? I'm a content creator. Yeah, I'm just usually going to the nice places and usually wearing a bikini. Yeah,
Oh,
you want to
right,
say that
yeah.
one? Huh?
Yeah.
So, and made a nice content from boat, sailing boat. I love it. I love food. I love wine, outstanding wine, and sharing with my followers on Instagram. So very simple, but I hope I can help different people understand more. If you go into some countries or cities, like already have a guide, like 100% it will be good.
Yeah,
so you don't need to
like,
waste your time.
Key points of what to do and what not to do, what to avoid, yeah?
Exactly.
But you mentioned wine. I understand that you are not just a simple enthusiast, but you are also somewhat a connoisseur, an educated one. You have an education in wine, right?
I finished school in London, yes, and I am a sommelier now. latest one. And
congratulations!
Thank you.
Finally, you have the certificate, and yeah, so it's not just for show. She knows a lot about wine.
So you can actually, as well, you can ask me if you want. If you don't know, have no idea what to drink with, I don't know, meat or this dinner, or which wine should you choose when you're going for a date, and if you want to impress the girl? Because usually if you're choosing something most expensive, it doesn't mean it's a really good one. So
right, and for that you need to follow her for those kind of lessons.
Can I say more? If you're in London, I will be doing a wine tasting event in London soon, so you can join me. I will be happy to see.
Great stuff.
Thank you.
Well, thank you for joining us today.
Oh, thank you for inviting me.
It was a pleasure.
Bye, guys.
In this part of the video, we are testing the microphone that is built into the transmitter. And yeah, I am in a quiet environment, so could be comparable to your home or an office. Hopefully, it sounds good. In a noisy environment, on a busy, very noisy London street with trucks going past, people everywhere, cars going past, yeah. So this should be a lot of noise. I can barely hear myself speak. It will be interesting to hear after I've tested this to find out, is this microphone even able to pick up my voice? And I'm speaking normally, as I normally would in a quiet environment. So yeah, let's find out. Right now I am testing the built-in microphone, the one that is in this transmitter wireless portion of the system. And yeah, it's got windshield on. It is a bit windy right now, so it's the perfect day to check how good this windshield protection really is. Yeah, and I decided that it will be, you know, it'll be more fun if I don't just do a test. I'll tell you a fun fact about East London versus West London. Townhouses in East London are quite different from the West London. It is because East London townhouses were built for working class people. They have narrow hallways, small rooms and smaller windows than the ones in West London, because West London is more upper class with more expensive houses. In contrast, West London townhouses look much nicer, with bigger, larger windows for more natural light, wider hallways, higher ceilings and bigger rooms. So yeah, there is a huge contrast between East London old townhouses and the West. Overall, I think that this is a very easy to use, high quality wireless microphone system, and it did extremely well in the noisy environment test, as well as delivered good results in other tests. The Maono WM820 is available for iPhone and Android devices, so go check it out at the link in the description below if you want to get one. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.